What's up, everybody? This is Lyle with No Hippie Barbecue. What I'm coming at you with today is going to be a video basically just showing you guys what the winner of my last contest won. Now, I don't do these contests because I'm looking for subscribers or anything like that, because it really doesn't work like that. I just like showing appreciation to those that have been with me since day one and since yesterday. So for you guys, I'm appreciative. Anyway, emailed Paul back and forth, who was the winner, and he said, you know what, Lyle, I'm into barbecue, things like that. Kind of told me a few things that were kind of missing in his arsenal. So you know what, let's hook him up. Anyway, what do we got? First of all, we're gonna hit him with some El Rabbit's You Know You Want It barbecue sauce. Boom, we're gonna hit him with a 3-pack of that. Now, you know what? Everything can't always be about barbecue, so sometimes you just gotta cook some regular stuff. So we're gonna hit them with a little bit of Rivet Gardner's cookbook, a lot of that Mediterranean flair, some of that, almost Hispanic, or not necessarily Hispanic, but Mediterranean kind of cookbook. So we're gonna hit them up with that too. We're also going to get a little random on them. I bought this magnetic phone holder and it wasn't really compatible with my truck. Even I wish it was. This thing would be great for driving around. Let's say you got a little directions on there. Boom. Click it on there. Good to go. We're going to hit them with that too. Now, one of the favorite things that I've bought and have given away to multiple people have been these electric salt and pepper grinders. We're going to hook him up with that so he's not working that wrist a little bit too much. Now listen, if you live anywhere other than Texas, some people in Texas think all you need is salt and pepper and maybe garlic every now and then. But you know what? I'm going to get you with a little bit of a Steve Reisland 3-pack barbecue rub, pack. We're going to get those out to you as well. Now we got to work a little bit on, let's say you got a little brisket out on the smoker. You need to bring it in. First of all, you need something big enough to cut a brisket on. So I'm hooking you up with an extra large bamboo cutting board. Can't go wrong with that. Boom. Now once you got that brisket or you got that roast on the cutting board, now you got to slice that bad boy up. So we're not only going to hit you up with a professional carving knife, we're going to hit you with an 8-inch chef knife as well, so you can dice up them vegetables along with it. So boom, you're good to go there. Let's see what else we got. The last email that was going back and forth between me and Paul, he said, you know what, I got a meat probe, it's just a standard one or whatever, and I'm going to hit you up with my most recent favorite barbecue thermometer. I'm going to hook you up with the 4-probe Inkbird meat thermometer. Take a look at this. So everybody, that's what Paul got. You know what? I'm going to be having another giveaway like this probably in about another 3, 4, 5 months. I'm not sure when. I do like reinvesting in those people that have been holding me down since day one and since yesterday. I think that's all I got to say about that. I do appreciate you guys stopping by No Hippie Barbecue and holding me down. I'm telling you, you guys are the people that have been with me, just got with me. You guys have brought me more than I ever thought I would get out of YouTube. So for that, I am appreciative. Thanks for stopping by No Hippie Barbecue. I appreciate it. Comment, subscribe, and I'm out.